In this video, I'll show you step by step how to transfer USDT to funding wallet Binance. So if you want to transfer your USDT to funding wallet, now open the Binance app. After you open the Binance app, now go to this asset. After you go to assets, now click on this transfer. After you open the transfer, so from this option, now you have USDT in the spot wallet. So from this option, now click on this option now to select from. So it will give you the spot. So select the spot. So you want to transfer from the spot. So if it is not spot, just click on this option from. So here it will give you all the balance you have in your Binance account. Now go and select where you want to transfer the USDT from it. So for me, I'm using this spot. After you select the spot, now click on this second option. After you click on the second option, now here you go ahead now and choose funding. So as you can see here is from spot to funding. So the next thing to do now, click on this option. So now go and search for USDT. So if you can't find the USDT from the list, search for USDT from this option. So it will appear like this for you. Now select the USDT. For this video, I'm using this coin. I'll just select the coin or USDT. After you select the USDT you want to transfer, so click on this max button. So you can click on the max, or you can just type in the amount of the USDT you want to transfer to your funding wallet. After you finish that, click on this confirm transfer. So from there, here it says transfer successful. If you click on this OK button, so from this option now, you'll be able now to see the USDT has been transferred into your funding wallet. And that's it, guys. If this video helps out, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next one.